In version 1.8.13 of VAST Online, we now have the ability to set what functions can be performed within certain transaction types in point of sale. From the home page, on the vertical toolbar, we go to the Maintenance menu, and under the Settings section, we have Transaction Types. In this version, we have 3 transaction types where we can set what is allowed within those transactions. They are standard, free of charge, and tire service network. To edit what can be done in each of these transaction types, choose the pencil icon to edit, and you'll notice we have some tick boxes. If the tick box is checked, then that function will be enabled. Pricing enabled means that they will be able to show pricing. If fee is enabled, then shop supplies will be calculated. If tire parts are excluded, then the users will not be able to enter tires onto this particular transaction type. Is tax enabled, means tax will be calculated. Allow kit parts will allow packages to be added to the order. And our associated parts enabled will allow associated parts to be added to the order if they are configured. Currently, warranty claim modal and invoice for warranty claim does not have any functionality. In future releases, more transaction types will be added to this maintenance.